Welcome to Easocare Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to promote your online pharmacy store. Promoting your online pharmacy is very important to inform your customers you have started accepting orders from your website. Today, we will learn different ways through which your online pharmacy store can be promoted. The first thing you can do is open the Easocare for Pharmacy app. On the very top, you can see a button called Share on WhatsApp. This is the quickest way to share your store link to your WhatsApp contacts in 2 clicks. A personalized message like this will be sent via WhatsApp. The next and the most efficient way is to go to the Accounts tab in your app. Click on Promote Your Store. Easocare for Pharmacy offers personalized banners which you can share with your customers on WhatsApp to notify that you accept orders online. You can choose from a wide selection and share it with your customers. And we also put up festive banners so that you can wish your customers on behalf of your pharmacy easily. To share the banner of your choice, simply click on Share on WhatsApp and choose the contacts you want to share with. It's that easy. Thank you for watching this tutorial.